Stephanie has 3 3/4 bags of soil to put in her garden. Each bag of soil will cover this much. So covering means area. And it says how many square feet will Stephanie be able to cover if she uses all these bags. Uses all these bags. So she wants to use these. And each bag covers this much. So this is just multiplication. And as much as I love fractions, I think I'm just going to easily change that into 3.75. And I'm going to multiply this number by it. Okay, this is going to get nasty. Because I don't have to line up decimals, but it is a lot of numbers to multiply. And I am putting the most digits up on top. And actually, I'm going to rewrite this. And you know what? I'm going to put this on my graph piece of paper. Because that for sure is going to keep me organized. Alright, so it's 125.3 times 3.75. Okay, multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. 25, 26. 10, 12, 6. Add a 0. Now, if you want to cross out that 5, you can, because it kind of gets in the way when I'm thinking. So 7 times 3 is 21. 35, 36, 37. 14, 17. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay. And then add 2 zeros. I'm done with that 7. Now it's just 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And 3 times 1 is 3. Alright. Now, if this is confusing, you can definitely pick this apart. You could do 125.3 times 5. Okay, all alone. Then do 125.3 times 7. Okay, but it would have to be 0.70 like that. If that's confusing, then just don't do that. But I figured it might help a little bit. 5 and zeros, 7, 9 to 11, 14 and 5, 8 and 8, 16, and 1 is 4. Then, because I've multiplied, here's one number after my decimal, and here's 2 numbers after my decimal. That makes a total of 3 numbers that need to be after the decimal, and that leaves me with 469.875. Let's go back to that question and see what we do. Oh yeah, and I have that exact answer right here. Yay! Letter A.